Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. If you've watched our YouTube channel before, you're going to be very familiar with the speaker I'm holding. If not, let me tell you what it is. This is the SX200NEO. It's one of our favorite speakers to use in Harley. And today I'm going to show you what Hertz has just recently released. It's the big brother to it. We're going to unbox it, go over the specs, and show you more about the new speaker. So hang out as we go over this new speaker. All right, so we're going to unbox this new SX200NEO from Hertz and show you what you get when you make that purchase. If I can get it to slide out here. All right. All right, so one thing right off the bat you notice that you don't get with the 6.5-inch version, the SX165, is that included are going to be a set of 8-inch grills. They're going to be very similar to the MPG 165s that we sell already for the 6.5. It's the same looking, same indentation, same logos. So it's going to match perfectly if you've already got the grills that go along with the 6.5s. All right, let's pull one of these mids out. All right, so we have the big brother, an 8-inch version of the SX165. So again, SX200NEO. It's going to have the same design tweeter. It's going to have the waterproof cone, the gasket to keep water from getting down to the voice coil, and this thing is going to be extremely loud. It also has a neodymium magnet, just like we're used to seeing on the 6.5-inch version. It's going to be extremely efficient. Here in just a second, I'll go over all those specs with you. Let's go ahead and finish getting this unboxed. Our second one. We're also going to include some screws to put all this together. All right, now that they're unboxed, let's go over the specs. So again, the part number is an SX200NEO. We've had the SV200NEO for a while, which is the 8-inch mid without a tweeter. This is actually a co-axial. There are not many of them out on the market like this, and especially some that are going to sound good. My personal preference is a co-axial with a loudspeaker style cone, but with a traditional style tweeter. I think most horns are too loud for my liking. This is going to have really good mid bass, but have a very nice tweeter that complements it so it sounds really good musically. A pair of these is going to take 260 watts max, but I'm pretty happy about the fact they only need 130 watts RMS. This is a pretty big deal because in motorcycles we don't have 10,000 watts and an infinite amount of amperage to run our amps with. At 130 watts, this thing is going to be extremely loud though, because it's 99.5 decibel efficient. Compared to our SX165NEO, these are 96.5 dB efficient. So off the same power, this speaker should be about 3 decibel louder just by going up to the 8-inch version. Hertz says it's going to play between 100 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. We found the same specs are normally with the 6.5-inch version, but it'll easily play the 85 Hertz frequency range very clear all the way to full volume. It's also very shallow. It only takes 3¼ inches for mounting depth. We're very excited about this new 8-inch speaker. We're going to be bringing in a line of lowers and lids to keep in stock to complement this speaker. They're currently in stock at volunteeraudio.com. You can call to order at 1-844-30-AUDIO or just click the link below in the YouTube video to take you directly to the item. As always, at Volunteer Audio, we guarantee the lowest price. If you find one of the items that we sell from another authorized dealer at any price lower on the web or in store, send us a message, call us, we'll match it and even beat that price. So again, in stock, ready to ship. Call us if you have any questions, 1-844-30-AUDIO. Email us at sales@volaudio.com or go to volunteeraudio.com to see all the specs, more details, and more images about this speaker. Thank you for watching, and God bless.